Hello everybody and welcome. Whether you're watching here from school or whether you are watching at home, we hope that you're all well and healthy and that you are all keeping safe. School certainly seems a very strange place at the moment. It's not what we're used to, and whether we are having contact with some children face to face or whether we are having contact with you via Zoom or via telephone calls, what we are all aware of is how hard you are all working, that you are putting in lots and lots and lots of effort into your work, and for that we are really grateful and extremely proud of you. That also goes to grown-ups as well, because we know without grown-ups' help and support that you wouldn't be able to be doing the things that you are doing. I know that certificates have started to be sent home to some children this week, so you might be one of the lucky recipients of those. And that is really to recognise the amazing effort that you're putting into your learning, whether it's home learning at home or whether it's your learning in school that you are doing at the moment. For some of us though, and that includes the grown-ups here at school and maybe at home, we might not be feeling too great about ourselves at the moment. And that might be because we might feel sad, or we might feel like we're not doing a good enough job, or that we might feel a little bit frustrated about the situation that we're in at the moment. And the fact that we can't see the people we love or the people that we're friends with. And for lots of reasons, we might be just feeling a little bit different and a little bit sad about how we're feeling at the moment. But what the grown-ups here at school and at home want you to remember is that you are all awesome. And sometimes though, there are times when we might not feel so great about ourselves. There's a few things we can do to make ourselves feel better. And what I have done is I've attached a little video that I would like you to watch. And once you've watched the video, I'm going to just talk to you a little bit more about one of the things that I would like you to do at home this week. Have a look at the video. It gives us ideas of things that we can do to help make us feel more awesome inside about ourselves, especially at the moment. Thank you.
How do you feel about yourself? I know, that's a weird question. And right now, you were asking, why are you asking me a weird question? Let me tell you why. Self-esteem. What? How we feel about ourselves. And what are 5 things you can do to feel awesome about being you? These are great questions. And on this episode of Rocket Kids, we explore those questions. I'm Vivian, and let's get this started. What is all this self-esteem stuff? Let me put it this way. When we have high self-esteem, we feel good about who we are. You are one super awesome person. We are proud of what we can do. I love the way you handled that. Giving myself a pat on the back. We believe that we can do it, even if we don't succeed at first, because this little bump in the road is just that, a bump. We can see our own good qualities and accept ourselves, even if we make mistakes, because everybody makes mistakes. Everybody? Yep, everybody. When we have low self-esteem, it's like the exact opposite of that. In this zone, we may think we aren't as good as others. We may think about the times we don't succeed or make mistakes, rather than the time we do well. We may be hard on ourselves and give up easily. I know, this is kind of a sad zone to be in, but there is hope. There is that other zone, the back patting zone. So let's go back there. Yeah, that feels so good. Here are 5 things we can do to have better self-esteem, or as I say, to feel awesome about being you. Number 5, try your best. You can feel awesome about yourself when you give something a really, really good try. Do your best at whatever you do, and your self-esteem is sure to grow. Number 4, pitch in. Do nice things that help others get things done. Like our parents, we can help with meals and keeping the house clean. We can get involved at school or volunteer in your community. Everybody needs a little help. Pitching in helps us realize that we can make a difference. Number 3, turn that I can't into I can. When you are faced with something new, do you say to yourself, this is too hard. I'm not good at this. Change the way you think about trying new things, and instead say, I will give this a great try. I can handle this, and I can do it. Start saying, I can, and you will be amazed at how this will help grow your self-esteem. Number 2, practice the things you do well. Practice, practice, practice. They say practice and patience makes perfect, and that's true. We have to keep doing the things we love to get better, and it takes time. Find a way to schedule time and practice. When we see our progress and become really great at something, our self-esteem becomes really great too. And number 1 on the list of 5 things you can do to feel awesome about who you are. Make a list of the stuff you are good at. Yeah, a list. It can be anything from drawing to dance. Maybe it's a sport or a hobby. It can be anything. If you're good at it, put it on the list. Sit down with your family and build this list together. It's fun. I like this one because it really helps us to think about the things we are good at. And that's where it all starts. What are things you do to build your self-esteem? What are you good at, and what are you doing to get better?
Hi again, I hope you enjoyed the video. One of the things I just wanted to talk to you briefly about now is what I do to make me feel better about myself. One of the ways in which I make myself feel better is by helping other people. And helping other people has been found to make some changes in your brain, basically, that can make you feel happier about yourself and ultimately have a higher self-esteem. So what I'd like you to do this week is have a go at helping others and see what happens. This week I want you to have a think about all the ways in which you can help other people or do help other people. You might want to make a list of things that you've done maybe on a daily basis, because one thing I know is that you will be amazed at how much happier that makes you feel and how brilliant it makes you feel to help others. If you have time, maybe have a go at making a list of what you've done, and I can guarantee you that it will make you feel infinitely better about yourself. Have a really good week ahead. Continue to work hard, continue to put in lots of effort, and continue to believe in yourselves, because you are doing an amazing job. Bye.